Guys, how to fix if MMS multimedia messaging option missing from your iPhone? If you can't see MMS message on your iPhone, type on message, and here you will not find MMS message option. Then the first workaround is tell any friend to send MMS message on your iPhone, and one can send any MMS multimedia message photos on your iPhone through messaging. Then it chances this option will appear on your iPhone. Otherwise, go to next, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and again tap on reset and reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and reset all setting. Tap on it. Your problem will definitely resolve. That's all.